Welcome. In this video, we will explore various performance tuning techniques for SQL Server to help you optimize database performance effectively. Performance tuning is the process of optimizing a database to improve its efficiency and speed. Effective tuning is crucial for ensuring that applications run smoothly and efficiently. Some common performance issues include slow running queries, high CPU usage, and locking and blocking situations that can hinder database performance. Identify these issues is the first step in tuning. Analyzing query performance is essential for identifying bottlenecks. Tools like SQL Server Profiler and execution plans provide insights into how queries are executed, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Proper indexing is one of the most effective ways to improve query performance. Understanding the types of indexes such as clustered, non-clustered, and covering indexes is essential for optimizing data retrieval. Optimizing your queries can lead to significant performance gains. Best practices include avoiding select star, using specific column names, and effectively utilizing where clauses to filter data. SQL Server uses statistics to create efficient query plans. Regularly updating statistics helps the optimizer make informed decisions about data retrieval. Here is how to update statistics in SQL Server. Configuring SQL Server settings can significantly impact performance. Key settings include the maximum degree of parallelism and memory allocation, which help manage resource effectively. Locking and blocking can severely affect performance. Understanding how locks work and implementing techniques to minimize blocking can enhance overall database efficiency. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial for sustaining performance. Tools like SQL Server Management Studio and Performance Monitor can help you keep track of performance matrices and identify issues. In conclusion, effective performance tuning involves a combination of query optimization, indexing strategies, configuration settings, and continuous monitoring. I encourage you to implement these techniques to enhance your SQL Server performance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.